There are two bevel gears that allow you to adjust the chain tension on your chainsaw. One of the gears has a post with a slot in it that allows it to be rotated by a screwdriver. It mates to a second bevel gear that is attached to the adjustment screw. When the bevel gears are turned, they rotate the adjustment screw, which moves the adjuster. The gears can wear over time. They will wear faster if the chain is over-tensioned. Replacing the bevel gear is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brake assembly, bar and chain from the saw. Now I can remove the metal cover from the brake assembly. Now I can remove the adjuster bolt assembly from the housing. I'll separate the bevel gear and its holder, and I'll remove the adjustment pin from the bolt. Now I'll remove the bevel gear from the housing and install the new gear. And now I can install the adjuster bolt assembly into the housing. I'll thread the adjusting bolt into the tensioner. Now I'll place the bevel gear into its holder and insert the bolt through the holder and into the bevel gear. And now this assembly can go back into the housing. And now reinstall the metal guard. Now I can reinstall the chain brake, the bar, and the chain. I place the bar over the studs. I'll pull it all the way back. Now I'll put the chain onto the bar. I'll align the chain with the groove in the bar. Make sure it fits around the bar sprocket. Now I'll pull it tight onto the bar, and I'll place the chain brake over the bar studs. I'll need to adjust the tensioner back until it fits into the bar. Right there. Now I'll tighten the bar nuts till they're just hand tight. And with the nuts in place, now I can tension the chain. I want to lift the bar up and turn the tensioner. As I turn it, the chain will snug up against the bar. And the proper tension is when I can lift the chain away from the bar. I want it to be able to move away from the bar, but I don't want to see a gap between the guide links and the bar. So just a little bit tighter. about right there. And I'll just tighten up the nuts. And that's all it takes to install the bevel gear on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.